Hi, Mike here. So, I recently received many questions about the keyboard that I modded last time. Some are questions relating to DIY modding, and some are related to the keyboard that I modded. In this video, I will show you the teardown version of the keyboard. So, first, the unboxing. And yes, some of the clips that you are gonna be seeing are from the previous build that I made. So if you haven't seen that yet, you can check it on the top right corner or on the link down the description. I intend not to do any sound tests here. You can check it on my previous video, or you can also watch other video with full review sound tests from other YouTubers. Second step is removing the keycaps, and if you're using the wired keycap puller, it is going to be a lot more easier than using the stock keycap puller that came from the box. Once you have removed all the keycaps, you can now unscrew all the Phillips heads from the edges of the keyboard and also for the insides. From here, you can basically remove all the switches. By the way, you need to remember that this is a north-facing PCB, and the best way to remove these switches is to pull it towards the front and use a third-party switch puller, as it is more easier to use versus the one that came from the box. Also, make sure to be gentle while you're trying to pinch the front part of the switch, as it is easily get damaged as what we expect from Otemus. And what we have here is an Otemo Blues. And for those of you who are asking, is this a hot swappable keyboard? And the answer is yes. Can I use a different switch for this keyboard? Yes and no. So no, you can only use an Otemo switch if you want a straight swap to use for this keyboard. And for the answered yes, you can use the different switches, but you need to cut the two side pins for 5-pin switches, and for the 2-pin switches, you still need to sand the part of the switch to fit it in the sockets properly. Next is gently prick or pull the spacebar part of the keyboard to touch the top layer plastic. So what they use here is a detachable plastic, but remember to be gentle with this, since you can easily break the clip that holds the top layer to the base of the keyboard. Then, you can now gently lift up the PCB plate together with the PCB. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below. And don't forget to press like and subscribe to see more mods and builds. You can also follow me on my Twitter and Facebook page to see updates for my next builds and mods.